In this video, I will show you how to replace the optics module. So first, we're going to want to remove the power wiring, the optics module CAN wiring, the power wiring to the gobo module, and we'll also want to fish this out here just to get it out of the way. And then finally, the CAN bus coming from the optics module into the gobo module. Once all those wires are loose, we're going to remove the 4 screws here. And it's important to note, before you remove the optics module, you're going to want both of your lenses to be closer to the front of your fixture. This is to make sure we're clear on the middle there, that we're not hitting any of the motors on the gobo module with the lenses. Module should come right out like that. To reinstall the module, just reverse the steps. Carefully place it inside and make sure not to pinch any wires. And then you'll just line up the screws. And then we'll reconnect our wiring. Plugging our power and CAN into the gobo module. And finally our power and CAN. One last thing to note is that you'll have a little guide here to show you which address you want to set your board to. Make sure that it's set to 2, just like the guide says. And you've also got a serial number sticker that will mention the serial number for the gobo module. And by following these steps, this is how you replace the optics module in your Relevé fixture.